Bro, there's a straight up rainbow. This view is insane. I can't believe it. They actually let me film.
I'm gonna try to slide down on this hill and see if I can make it down to the bottom.
That time lapse is gonna be sick though. That's the most incredible sunset I think I've ever seen. We're getting that sunset.
The sunset is worth it.
Wow,
Sunset
yes.
is definitely-
That is gorgeous. Okay, I cannot believe they let me back there to film. This is a full court blindfold shot. Let's go.